Hi guys, if you don't know about this website, so you don't know anything. So let's get started. If you want to make the AI videos, what you have to do, just search in Chrome Pixverse, and here you get free credits in this website. So what you have to open, just open this Pixverse and it will open this interface. You can create any video with it. So just type whatsoever you want to create, like I'm writing a prompt. Create a logo of Rolls Royce turning into a car. So write it down. Let's see. Then what you have to do, here you will get approx 200 points, so you can create. So this video is just for 40 points, so it's processing. So on the side you will see a parameter. Here you can change your video, like if you want a 5-second video or 8-second video, or if you want to increase the pixel, or you want 9:16. Most of the YouTube or TikTok videos are 9:16. You can use this one. Now let's see what it makes. A Rolls Royce logo really turning into a car, and on besides the parameter, here is a creative companion. If you want prompts written by AI, so you can go with that. And on the left side you will have extend transition features and image feature as well. If you want to refer an image and turn it into video, you can do as well. And on this side, API, here you will go to content influencer. If you are creating a content influencer, as I am a content creator, I will go with this and submit. And what the describe the organization you want to, I am independent, so I will go with that. And here you see a good view, like you can create the videos like this. These are the demos. Like if you want to create a text to video, here are the policies. You can look at this as well. The prompts, everything is written by it. You do not need to do anything. So if I want to create an image to video, you can do this one. Let me show you a trial, like how it creates video, like image to video. This is an image which is created into video, so you can see this one as well. So there are lots of options, like if you want e-commerce videos, there we have it. And if you want like any effects videos, you can go with that. There are all options we are getting in it, so it's easy to use. Just try it, and it's free of cost. You do not need to pay anything, so that's a big thing. Let's check out the industry solution videos. Let's go for entertainment. So it's creating videos like same as VO3, but here you are getting it for free. Animations, films, brand advertisement, everything is here. You can just write down the right prompts, you will get a better quality in it. Tourism, so if you are from the field of tourism, you have a brand advertising or a film production YouTube channel, so you can go for this. So let's check it out. For more videos like this, just subscribe to my channel. For now, bye bye, see you in the next video.